Alright guys, RETROCENGO here, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna take a look at this Turbo 2000 cartridge for the Commodore 64. Don't know what it contains, never seen one of these before, first time ever. I just found a bunch of these cartridges, so I'm gonna take a look. Now usually I use this KCS Power cartridge from 1985, and the reason I like it is because I can just press F7 and then it will, if the disk drive is on, it will start loading the directory and list everything on the screen. So I really love that one. Also I can press this button and it has some different thingies over here, but let's check this one, guys. Now, usually when I get one of these that hasn't been touched for 20-30 years, then I plug it in, check it out, plug it in again a couple of times and give it some power. Let's see this Turbo 2000. Yeah. One more time. And nope. It's got a button on the backside. I'm gonna press it now. Okay, it resets when I press the button, so there is some sort of connection, but I think some of the legs are oxidated. They just need some cleaning. How the hell do we open one of these? Oh. Okay, I will open it and see what's inside. All right, I just opened it, but before we take a look at it, I have this one also. It's just called Fast Load, and this is a reset button. And I love using this one. It's got a hack inside here, and yeah, I just got it like this. And inside, it looks like something. I mean, look at this. This is something. This is homebrew, guys. Look at how it's done. It's just and. Soldering job here. Yeah, some homebrew thingy. It works perfect. I love using this one. So yeah, I just want to have it on camera here. But I just got this Turbo 2000. Let's take a look at it. I opened it, I took the ROM off, inspected the legs. They need cleaning, as you can see, some corrosion, oxidation. It's actually brown. It looks like rust, but it's not rust. It's just really dirty. So the first thing we do is check off the chips, the ICs, as many as we can. As you can see, these two are soldered directly on the board. And if we take a look at the connectors here, let me get some light. Oh, there we go. If you look at the top side here, this is how it has to look all the way down. As you can see down here, it's really dirty. And oh, it's got some mud or something over here. Doesn't look that good, guys. So this is the reset button on top. So we have to clean this, clean the legs here. And the way I normally, when I make my YouTube content, whatever, then I say next clip, I say I'm gonna clean this, and next clip they're cleaned. And then you guys ask, how did you clean, what did you use, and also all sort of stuff. I got this ISO here. Isopropanol, I don't know what's called. You know what it is, guys, okay? So I just give it a couple of times here. And give it with a hard brush. Nope, it doesn't shine. It should shine. If this doesn't work, then you can also use an eraser. Oh, it shines just a bit. It helps. We're gonna try it, guys. And the other side also. Usually I just skip this part because I don't know, when I watch other YouTubers, we have some great YouTubers out there, then I just fast forward this 80s montage music part. But because of your question, because you asked me how did you do it, what do you do, what do you use, show some of the work. And here we go, my fellow YouTubers, watchers, subscribers, viewers. It's still, I'm not satisfied. It should be shiny just like the rest, guys. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get my son's pencil eraser and give it a go. All right. Also, these legs, as you can see, they're a bit brownish. You have to be careful you don't bend them, but you can actually buy a real, I think they're called, oh yes, shiny. They're called erasers or something like that, steel erasers, or I don't remember what they're called, but you can buy them, and pencil erasers, I think. And you can use the proper tool, not something like this, but it shines now. Oh yes, this is, as you can see all the legs. That was okay. So when we put this one back, as you can see here on a white background, it's got a little tab here, and that tab has to turn the right way. As you can see, it's got the same tab over here. So we have to be really careful when we put it in together again. Check and double check we don't bend no legs, and it just pops in. All right, let's oh, it looks better now, but not shiny enough. But let's plug it in and see what's gonna happen. This is there's a hole here. Guys, I have never ever seen one of these before. So let's just put this one in. I don't want to close this because if it doesn't boot again, I can use it like this. If it doesn't work, then I will use the pencil eraser, but it has helped. I can see it's more shinier now, but it should be just like the top side, guys. So this one has been used a lot, I think. So let's just plug this one in and see what's gonna happen. All right, guys, let's just it looks much better now. I don't know if you can see it. You can see that it has been used, but it looks a lot better than before. So let's just plug this one together now. All right. There we go. We have some Xbox Superheroes gameplay in the background with Thor and Captain America and all that awesome stuff. That's my son. So yeah, we're gonna have some background noise, guys. All right, so let's check this Turbo 2000 now. It's complete. Let's cross our fingers. Let's hope it works. Let's plug it in and see what's gonna happen. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Yes, it works. Nice. All right, so one BMP Turbo 1. BMP Turbo is in function in Danish. Nice. I'm gonna try the reset button and nothing happens. I'm gonna hold it down. You have to hold the reset button down for a second, 2 seconds. Okay, so that was BMP Turbo 1 and BMP Turbo 2, I think some kind of other turbo tape thing. I don't know what the difference is. And let's try BMP Disk Turbo, normal start, fast start tape, fast start disk. Definition of function keys, that's A. Auto or manual, manual. F1 runs. Okay. B, test, repeat. Don't know what that is. So if we take number 3, BMP Disk Turbo, then we got this, and let's try F1, F2. Nothing happens. All right, let's see if the loading, works, guys. Let's try Indie. Oh, it had another disk turbo thingy. Let's try to enter that one. Maybe by that the function keys work. This number 3, the function keys does not work. I'm not gonna do no fast forward, no nothing, because I'm gonna test if. Okay, that was fast. That was too fast. It was so fast, so I don't think that it works the proper way. Oh, we got no sound, guys. I mean, these crack intros, the music is 90% of it. Endless life, snow, infinite energy. Oh damn, it's bright. In-game press keys 1 to 5 to start different places. I remember this game, it was so hard I couldn't do nothing in it. Okay, it had to load some more, alright, because the other stuff, it was so fast, but still I think that the turbo part is great on this Turbo 2000. It had 100 and... oh man, it's fast! I mean, this stuff should be built in. I mean, alright, not in the 1541, but because if you read about the story, it just came out in a rush and all that. But I mean, by the time they released 1541-2, they could just include this little loading acceleration thingy. Do you recognize this joystick? I think this is from the Commodore GS model. I'm not sure, guys, but yeah, Indiana Jones. Oh, it's on widescreen. Don't be angry now. We can just switch it to 4:3. There we go. The real aspect ratio. And it works, guys. That's nice. Oh, shit. Indy just died. Yo, grab it. Oh, why did you jump, man? What was that? All right. What? Oh, it's a really sensitive joystick, guys. He just throws an axe. Oh. Where's mine? A gun or nothing? What's that? Oh, it just got brighter. What's that? Oh, is that his whip? Ah, nice! Come on, everybody! Buh. What? We can't play with so... like this, alright. Yo! Oh, it gets brighter, man. Let's try it. Damn. All right, we got a cross up there, just like in the movie. Yo, get up. Come on. No, I don't know how to get up there. Yo. Come on. I know how to get up to the cross. Yo. No. 5, 6. I didn't read. Oh, 6. That's maybe level shift or what's it called? Yeah. Oh, I'm on the train. Nice. Yeah. Do I have the whip still? Yeah. Oh, it's a giraffe. Hello. Oh. The giraffe killed me. All right, guys. Let's try. It works. Let's try this one. Fast start disk number 6. What was that? Okay. BMP disk turbo is in function. F1, F3. Oh, do I have to? And then press F3. Yeah. All right. Okay, 164 blocks. Not easy to see on the camera, but the picture quality on my new Philips donation screen is incredible. Also with the Amiga, this one has got 2 SCART stick connections on the back side. And I have gold cable for the Commodore 64 and gold cable for the Amiga, and it looks great. So it's just so, yeah, it effed everything up. I don't want to use that word because you know how it is. Maybe kids are watching. It seems like if you use that number 6, I don't remember what was written there, but let's just try with this one. I want to find out if the game is dead or if the function destroyed everything. Okay, we're gonna try to load the same game again and see what's gonna happen, guys. I mean, the turbo function, so fast. As long as it works, then I'm happy. Oh, I love the bread bin model, but when using the keyboard, I mean, it's much better with the C model using the keyboards. I'm not dissing the bread bin model. I love that one. What? I mean, it loads so fast. I didn't fast forward. I don't even know how to fast forward on my editing program. I don't use my time on the editing program and all that. I use my time on the retro stuff. Alright, guys. It's super freak. Nice, it works. I love those crack intro music. That's nice. Okay, let's just reset. I just want to make sure that get ready to do some blasting. Alright. Cobra Force. Cracked by DCS. Unlimited life. No. Yo. Alright. I mean, the crack intro music is much better than the in-game music. I mean, those crackers, they were just... Yeah. It doesn't work. Yeah, it happens. Sometimes the game does not work, guys. That's how it is. But this Turbo 2000, it's like this. So when I used this one, it screwed the game up. With this one, Indie worked. So that's how it is. I just wanna... Yeah, nothing else. I just wanna show you this card, guys. This is how it works. But still, I'm in love with this one. Look at this one, guys. She's a super freak. This one, KCS Power Cartridge from 1985. Just F7, look at this guys, F7 removes that, and F7 again, bam! And it reads the discs, and it tells me what's on the directory, and load. It's such an awesome cartridge. I have made another video with this red KCS cartridge, and I have got so many emails from people that wants to buy that one, but I have only one of them, guys. If I had another one, I would have shipped it to the first guy that wrote to me, but I only have one, and when I have one, I'm gonna keep it. Because as I always say, if I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, I just wanna see this Cobra thingy. Nice. The 1531 data set. Winning games on Commodore 64 by T.P. Barrett. Oh, it's how to program games. I mean, who did I just respect people that sit down and did write all of these thingies back then. I mean, today, who has got the time to do that? I know I don't. I mean, look at this. Damn. All right. So I'm just gonna check if the game works with my KSC cartridge thingy, Troubleshooting thingy, because with this one it just it died. Come on. And here it just crashed. It works. It didn't work with this one, guys. All right, so what do we do? Oh, come on, SOS. I'm gonna save you. There we go. Oh. Yeah, I saved two guys. Oh. The turret is gonna die. Come on! How many shots, man? Die! Damn it! It doesn't die. It's just indestructible, guys. Reset. Oh, I love that the other turbo thingy. We got a game called Alright guys, I want to say thank you for watching. So we had a little test of this Turbo 2000. Well, the fun part about this video was, in the beginning, it didn't work. Now, you know, open it, take off the ICs, clean the legs, but be really careful you don't bend them. Put them in the right way again. Clean the top here, clean the bottom. If you don't have no ISO, just use a normal pencil eraser, and make sure that they are shiny silver and bright and all that. And then put it in the Commodore 64 again, and it seems to work. As you can see, it's nice. Yeah. Let's get the menu one last time. Spacewalk, Mastertronic, Commodore 64 diskette. Nice. Oh, I think I played that game when I was a kid. The aim of the game. Yeah. It's just so nice. This is how it works, guys. Just one for if you want to load on cassettes, and 3 if I want to use disc turbo. I have a third one over here. I don't know if... Oh, which one? This one. I don't remember this one. I don't know if it works, but let's just plug it in and make this a cartridge video. Alright, nothing happens. Left button. Oh. It's got a fast load. Menu F5. Yeah. XG printer. Shut it off and on again. Okay, I'm gonna test the right button and see what's that gonna do. Right button. Okay, the right button just resets, and the left button, F1 reset, F3 run, F5 menu, F8, F8. Oh, that must be shift. There we go, we got fast load version 5.0. In the meantime, let's just turn this one around and see. So I don't know what this one is called, guys. It's just got a fast loader inside. I love the, it has changed the letters to a, oh, much brighter. Shark +7 Vietnam Kel 64. Don't know. Let's just see if the turbo part of this third, what's it called, cartridge, if that also works. And in the meantime, Commodore 18. Oh, loading error. It just crashed something. What was it? It was the left. I don't like this one. You have to press the left side and go in here and shift and F7 and... No, I much better like this one. This power cartridge. I just want to see that it works, guys. Comma 8. I just want to see that this fast loader works. You have to do something to activate it. I mean, with this one, you just pop it up, the fast loader is on, and you just press F7 2 times, and it's ready to for you to choose a game. So this power cartridge, I really recommend this one. Oh, it says something again. Loading something. So that cartridge needs some cleaning. It made a code load something, don't know. Nice, it works. Nice, guys. All right. Let's get some super freak music in the background and say thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for your time. This is a short video about the Turbo 2000. Until next time, get yourself a cartridge, load some awesome games, and play like crazy on your Commodore 64s. RETROCENGO out.